Hi guys, welcome to the integration math video. I'm going to do this integration math very easily. I think you will enjoy this integration math. I'm going to do this math. The math is I equals integration tan x divided by root 2 cot x dx. So I will take the 1 divided by root 2 in front of the integration sign, then tan x divided by cot x dx. I'm getting, so now 1 divided by root 2 integration tan x divided by cot x equals, we know that 1 divided by tan x. So I have written here. Now I am noting it, since cot x equals 1 divided by tan x. Okay, so 1 divided by root 2 integration tan square x dx, because this tan x is going to the numerator, so I have written tan square x. Now equals 1 divided by root 2. Again we know that tan square x equals sec square x minus 1. Again I am noting here, since tan square x equals sec square x minus 1. Okay, so now 1 divided by root 2 integration sec square x into dx minus integration 1 dx. This is now equals 1 divided by root 2 first bracket. Now I am doing the integration. So if we do the integration of sec square x, then I will get tan x minus, if we do integration of 1 dx, then I will get x plus c. This is answer. I think you will like this math, and I expect you have understand this math very easily. Thank you.